went to Claire's and there was all these colors of nail polish, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just can't decide because I like orange and yellow and
melon
and
looks
blue
beautiful
and
on
orange.
you.
Melon is not really a color; it's actually a fruit.
Well, I eat melon too.
See, I bought the green and the blue and the yellow because they're all real colors that I can paint on.
But they look
nails.
disgusting on you. Tommy's never going to ask you that now.
You're a terrible brother, and I hate you.
Sis, we can go buy some melon for you.
Melon is a fruit.
It's a color too.
No, it's not.
It smells good.
This is a melon.
Yes. And this is a watermelon.
It's an ugly.
Yeah, but
Why, when I want to paint my nails that color?
And scene. Awesome. That was... Invite you guys back up. And they have no idea what was said in that scene. They only saw it happen. Let's watch and try to recreate it.
I really love my preserves. Oh man. Okay. Don't you love them? Yeah, sure. This one is mango. Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. Isn't it good? Oh yeah. Don't you just want to eat it? No. You should eat it. No. Stop.
Eat it all.
I have my own. I have my own. See, I have jams. Jam is so much better. I have this kind, blue raspberry. Raspberry. It's the best. Smells like blue and raspberry. Well, it's blue, okay? So, what'd you do? Like, see? Oh, it smells like the best. Oh, disgusting. You know what? You're horrible. You're horrible. I don't. Come on. I'm not hanging out with you. Come on, preserves. Let's go.